In this example, we're going to look at how to prove triangles similar using side-angle-side similarity. Now, in order to use side-angle-side similarity, we need to have two sets of proportionate sides and one pair of congruent or equal angles. Now, at first glance, you may think we do not have enough information because all we have labeled are the two pairs of proportionate sides. We've got 30 and 15. So that's a zoom factor of 1/2 going from larger to smaller. And looking at the other set of sides, it goes from 50 to 25. So again, that has the same zoom factor. So we're good in regards to the proportionality, but we need a pair of angles. And it can't just be any angle, it has to be the angle in between those two sides. So it'd have to be this angle right here. Now, in order to prove it congruent, we need to know that something is true that we've proved in the past. And in this case, we do know that those two angles are congruent because of vertical angles. We have proved that no matter what, when you have a pair of angles formed by intersecting lines that are across from each other, they will be congruent. So that is enough information for us to prove the two triangles similar. So since I'm going to use side-angle-side similarity, I'll draw my 3 bubbles. And again, I always like to label what will be going into each of them. Now, I'll start with one of my pairs of sides, and I'm going to do JK and MK. And I can simply state that JK, which is 30 over 15, is the same as 2 over 1. So I'm going to put it in that simplified form, so when I look at my other side over here, I make sure that it has that same ratio. Next, I'll look at the angles. Now, there are actually 4 different angles right here, so I need to be very specific when I name them. So I'm going to use 3 letters. I'm going to say angle JKL is congruent to, and going in a corresponding order, I'm going to need to do MKN for my second. And again, the reason that's true is because we have proved previously that vertical angles are always congruent. Finally, I'm going to compare my last set of sides. I've got LK and NK. So LK is 50, NK is 25. And so again, that simplifies to 2 over 1. And now I'm seeing, all right, I've got that same ratio, therefore these sides are indeed proportionate. Now that I have the 3 things I need to prove the triangle similar, I can write my triangle similarity statement. Now I can start at any letter that I choose. So let's say I'm going to start at letter L. If I say triangle LKJ, and I've gone from the long side to that shared angle to the shorter side. So on my second one, I'm going to want to go in that corresponding order. So the long side to the angle to the shorter side. So that would be triangle NKM. And again, those are similar by side-angle-side similarity.